Good morning. Welcome to the class of Anatomy and Physiology. Today we are going to study on transport in animals. This is whereby a blood vascular system is involved. A blood vascular system is one which contains fluid-filled vessels involved in transport. General characteristics of a blood vascular system. One, we have a circulatory fluid, which is the blood, a contractile pumping blood device to propel the fluid around the body, which is the heart, tubes through which the fluid field can circulate the blood vessels. Blood systems are two, one open and the other one is closed. Open blood system, blood is pumped by the heart into an aorta, which branches into a number of arteries. The open series of blood space are called the hemocoel. Closed blood system, blood stays in closed blood vessels. Blood is pumped by the heart rapidly around the heart under the high pressure and back to the heart. Distribution of blood to different tissues can be adjusted depending on demand. The only exit and entry to the system is through the walls of the blood vessels. We have the composition of blood. It is composed of plasma, which facilitates transport. It has the blood cells, whereby we have the red blood cells that transports oxygen and carbon dioxide, white blood cells that produces antibodies, production of histamine and heparin, allergic responses, and engulf bacteria. We also have the platelets, starts blood clotting mechanism. We will also look at the blood vessels. One, we have the arteries that carry oxygenated blood away from the heart, except the pulmonary artery that carries deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs, and it carries blood under high pressure. Veins carry deoxygenated blood to the heart, except the pulmonary vein that carries oxygenated blood to the heart from the lungs. Capillaries links arteries to veins, whereby this is the site for exchange of materials between the blood and tissues. Comparison between structure and function of arteries and veins. Arteries transport blood away from the heart, while the veins transport blood towards the heart. Tunica media thick and composed of elastic and smooth muscle, while in veins, tunica media relatively thin and only the length of the to prevent backflow of blood. In arteries, pressure of blood is high and has a pulse, while in veins, pressure of blood is low and has no pulse. In arteries, blood flows rapidly, while in veins, blood flow is very slow. In arteries, low blood volume, while in arteries, high blood volume. Thank you for listening. Have a nice time.